Hi, welcome to Brookfield at Walden Village. We're located in Clarkston, Michigan, less than 2 miles to downtown Clarkston and I-75, right across from Clarkston High School. We have the Newberry model home for you to see here. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are on the Newberry model. We've made it inside. I'm in the front entry. I can't wait to show you all that it has in store to see if it's going to work for you. It's about 2391 square feet. We have a couple of additional spaces that I'll point out along the way. So the first space here is the flex room. This is a very versatile space. You can see here we're showing it as a home office, but it could really be anything to suit your needs. You can add some double doors here if you'd like some privacy or some quiet as you're working away. Continuing on, we've got the half bathroom here and then a closet for some storage items. As we continue on through the rest of the living floor, we have really the main living space of the home. It's kind of the most exciting part where all the fun happens. You've got your everyday gathering room. So it's very generous in size. We've got a wall of windows for lots of natural light and plenty of opportunity and space to entertain, host, or just relax at the end of the day. Continuing through, we've got the kitchen and cafe. The cafe, again, very generous in size. You can entertain here. It's going to be your everyday eating space, and it's open to the kitchen and the gathering room as we just saw. Continuing on through here, we've got the sunroom. This is a fun space. This is one of those added spaces I mentioned earlier. So we've got it shown as a craft space, but again, the options are limitless. This could be a sitting area to relax and unwind, to host friends and family, really anything that you want. Through the kitchen, the main part of the home, the most important part, right? So this is where all the action happens. You're going to spend a lot of time. It boasts tons of cabinet space, a nice big island, which comes included in this Newberry design, and a window over the kitchen sink, so you'll have a nice view while doing those dishes. As we continue on, we've got our everyday entry, which really is kind of multi-function. So what we're showing here is our exclusive Pulte Planning Center. This is a consumer-inspired space to help you stay more organized, and a drop-off point here coming in off of the garage, your everyday entry and exit point of the home. So an opportunity to stay more organized there as well. I can't wait to see you upstairs. All right, so we've made it up to the second floor. Right here at the top of the stairs, we've got the loft space. It's generous in size. As you can see, the options are limitless with this space. It can even be a fourth bedroom if that's something that you're looking for. As we continue down the hallway here, we've got the second floor laundry room. What is more convenient than that? No more carrying your laundry up and down the stairs. Across the hallway is the secondary bathroom. It has an option for 2 sinks, so there's plenty of room for everybody to get ready. Continuing down the hallway, we've got the secondary bedrooms, bedrooms 2 and 3. These are similar in size, and the great thing is they both offer a walk-in closet. All right, we've saved the best for last. The most important room on the second floor is the owner's suite. This is a spacious bedroom, large enough for a king-size bed. It's nicely lit with 2 large windows on the rear wall. We've got a full attached bathroom, dual sink vanity, plenty of room for everybody to get ready in the morning. There's a spacious walk-in closet for all your storage needs. All right, everybody, well, that concludes our tour of the Newberry model home. We can't wait to see you here in Clarkston. Have a great day.